Hi, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori, and today I have, a mess, a haul and some Secret Santa gifts that were given to me and Alex, my big guy. He's a little sad today. He's been scratching, so I've put aluminum foil all over my house. It looks a little crazy around here, but hopefully it will keep him from scratching where he shouldn't. And I bought him a scratching post, so hopefully he will use that. Oh, anyway, so I did a little my last shopping trip of the season tonight, and some Secret Santa gifts that I received so I could show you some different ideas, because we did that at work today. So first, my shopping. First stop was Aldi. If you like mulled wine, and what mulled wine is this is a red wine, and it is spiced with nutmeg, cinnamon, clove, orange, and lemon peel. So they take red wine and they infuse it with spices. And I get this at Aldi for $5.99. It's really good. They also sell it at World Market that I've seen, but it's a little more expensive there. But at Aldi, it's $5.99, and I heat it up in the microwave because that's how I roll, and it's delicious. Now, you could put it in the crock pot. You could add more mulling spice. I buy this because there's no sugar added to it. So I got that, which is delicious. I needed one more bottle, maybe one more before the season's over. We'll see. And while I was at Aldi, I got 2 more boxes of my sweetener for my coffee in the morning. I just like to have plenty on hand. Now, my last, first, I was at World Market. I got an email today that all the coffee is 40% off. Coffee? Yeah, coffee. And the syrups, and then some other things. So I grabbed a bag of chocolate peppermint. I love peppermint mocha coffee. I will drink this forever, but it's only a 12-ounce bag, so it'll just last a week or two. So I grabbed a bag of this, and it was like regularly $8.49, so it was less than $5 for that. And it's World Market brand, but it's really good. I've had it before. And this was $1, and it's toasted hazelnut. And this is a 1-pot bag, but I use a Keurig, so this will probably get me 2 of my crafts this weekend. And I like hazelnut too. And this was, like I said, $1. So I bought that for me. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. And then for a gift, I'm meeting a friend tomorrow for dinner that we work together. And I hadn't picked anything up, but I knew what I wanted to get her. And then when I got that email, I was like, perfect. So I got her this mug, and it says, be happy, be bright, be you. I love it. And it's got golds on the rim, and it's like a cream colored, can you see that? With little gold flecks. Yeah. So I grabbed her this mug, because she is like me, and we love mugs. So I grabbed her that. And this was regularly $7.99, and it was 50% off. And then I had a coupon in my email for another 15% off. So it was like $3 and something for the mug, which is beautiful. And then I got her some hot chocolate, and this is, the brand is Silly Cow, and this is chocolate truffle, and it's a fairly large jar of hot chocolate, and it was regularly like $5.99, and it was 40% off as well. So I got that plus my 15%. So I grabbed her that because she likes hot chocolate, and then I thought she would like these, and these are imported. Everything from World Market is, I think these are Italian, could be German, but they are a ginger cookie dipped in chocolate. So I thought, what better? Some hot chocolate and some cookies. So I got her that. We just give each other little things. And I will put it in this fun snowman bag that I got with some tissue paper. And that's her gift to her. And she will love it, I know. Okay, so some things that let me put this trash away. I got at work. Nuts. It was a jar of nuts. I ate them. Not all at one time. We get boxes of gifts in the mail fairly regularly from our vendors at Christmas time. And one of our vendors sent us some meat and cheese and nuts. And so I could have the meat, cheese, and nuts. So they let me have, I shared it, but it was on my desk. We ate it. And this was like a mixed nut blend, and it was really good. And now it's nothing. It's empty. But I liked the jar, so I brought it home because look, it has measurements on the side. Like totally cool. I can use this to like measure things, I suppose. But anyway, nuts. And then my coworker Teresa, who knows me so well, got me some hand lotion, and it's Winter Candy Apple from Bath & Body Works. And then some stress relief, which I love this stuff. It's eucalyptus, so you kind of gotta like the man scent. Oh, I love it. It just makes me relax. So the funny thing is she had this on her desk, a big bottle, for a long time, and I kept borrowing it because, you know, like you do. Oh, delicious. So she got me that, and then she has this on her desk now, and I keep borrowing. So she bought me that. So she gave me 2 little bottles of hand lotion, which I use hand lotion all day long. Hands are dry. And that was just from her. Like, I gave all my Secret Santa stuff to everybody. She brought in stuff for everybody, too. And then today, we did our actual Secret Santa exchange. And I love this bag. This is the one from the Dollar Tree, but I love it. And my coworker, Phil, had me. It was a secret, but I found out today. And he got me this wine bottle sweater because, well, duh, who doesn't need a sweater? We're going to take it apart because this is mine. It's my present. And I feel like he got this at, I don't know where, maybe TJ Maxx or something. But let me just show you how ridiculously cute this is. I mean, please. It's a sweater that goes on your wine bottle. I mean, yeah, I need that in my life a lot. So I will, because I have one of these bottles already in the refrigerator, I'll just leave this one on him under the tree. And then I'll come drink it later. I have one open, and I only drink like 1/4 cup at night. Like 1/4 to 1/2 cup. Not a glass, but measure-wise. And then, oh, my other coworker, my boss, she brought me some Slim Jims. Because, duh, I don't eat cookies. All right, back to this gift. So, in here, I am a notorious pork rind masher because I love pork rinds. And they're keto. They're on my diet. So he got me 2 bags of these from the Dollar Tree, which I really like their barbecue. So he got me 2 of those bags, and then one of this, which I cannot wait to break into. This is sea salt and cracked black pepper. Southern recipe, small batch. Big taste, gluten-free. I mean, what? This sounds so delicious. And less than 1 carbohydrate? Yes, please. Pork rinds. I'm so excited for these. I'll save them for something like New Year's Eve, maybe. When I go to my cousin's, I'll bring them with me or something. Pork rinds. I know people don't typically get excited about pork rinds, but I do. And then y'all have been around long enough to know the other thing that gets me super excited. Coffee. And coffee cups. And can we talk about the llamas? Save the drama for the llama, folks. This is a llama, and on the inside it says candy cane wishes. I mean, how stinking adorable is this mug? Like, I'm going to make something in it tonight. My tea before I go to bed. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then if that's not adorable enough, the other thing he and his wife got me, Merry Catmas. Please, Merry Catmas. And it has the black and white cat, which I have a black and white cat. You know, crazy. This is a Ray Dunn. And it has the red on the inside. It is a beautiful mug. I love it. I need to run it through the dishwasher. The tag is stuck on the back. This might stay out year round because it's a black cat in a Santa hat that says Meowie Catmas. I mean, my life. right here. And then the last thing he got me was a Starbucks gift card. Because what? Coffee. Yeah. So, and I think everybody liked the gifts I gave them. I love the gifts that I received. For my Secret Santa, she likes wax melts. So we have another coworker that sells Scentsy. So I got a couple wax melts for her. And then I got her some chips. She loves potato chips. So I got her some chips. And I got her some candy bars that she likes. And I got her hot chocolate. We had a $20 limit, but I fear that my friend Phil went over the $20 limit. I think he did. I mean, I'm okay. It's okay. It's okay that we do that, right? I think so. Do you see the hot mess behind me? Not my tree. My tree is pretty, but the piles, oh, it's driving me crazy. It is. So tonight, I went to Target to get spray for Mr. Alex. He's tearing up my carpet. I know. So I have aluminum foil on the table he's been scratching. I bought a scratching post. We're going to go upstairs and talk about the carpet situation. And I'm going to spray it with this cat stay away stuff. And hopefully that helps because I can't have him tearing up my new carpet. Urgh. All right. Well, that's everything. I'm getting myself ready for bed. And tomorrow is Thursday. I have Thursday, Friday. And then I'm on vacation for the whole week of Christmas. I'm so excited. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.